What I'm going to do today is go up into the attic and take a look at one of the roof rafters, or the supporting rafter that has a crack in it, and I'm going to see if I can sister it up with a new 2x4 to strengthen everything up. Okay, we are up in the attic, and this is the rafter right here that has a split in it. It doesn't go all the way down, but we can see it starting to split, and what I did is I just wrap some wire around it to hold it a little bit tighter as I prepare our board to sister it. So the first step is going to be measuring this out so I know how long a 2x4 to sister up to this. 5 feet is what I need. Now I had planned to cut down a spare piece of 2x4 that I had to be 5 foot, but it turns out I already had one that was exactly 5 foot. 2x4, which we can sister up. And before I go ahead and get into that, I can put this up here. I'm going to want to show you some of the hardware that I'm going to use. Here we go. I have these 4-inch, 1/4 inch bolts. We also have the nuts. So I also have big thick washers on these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and drill holes into the 2x4 and the rafter and sister these up together. Once you set your board, you can use clamps to keep the board in place as you drill your first couple of holes. I'm just holding it in place, but it would have been a lot easier if I just used the clamp. I got a washer on the other side and a nut. Just tighten that up. Bolt in there. Now I want to do one at the bottom, and then doing the rest should be a lot easier because this board will be perfectly in place. Alright, now it should be a lot easier now that we got the boards in place where we need them. You just have to drill and add more bolts. Is just dustbuster some of this sawdust out of here, but we now have a repair.